few months ago I restored this pop gun, and it's pretty traditional to put a gun above a door, so here seems a pretty good place. Now because this is a masonry wall, I'm going to be using an SDS drill. So there's the hole drilled, and the keen-eyed among you might be able to see it's actually off-centre by about 3 centimetres. Now I can just add a roll plug and a screw. There we go, don't think it's coming out. Attach the plate and the gun. So there we go, it is successfully mounted in the centre and level.